Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here. I'm Kamlesh Bajaj, CEO Data Security Council of India, which is an ASCOM initiative, and we are focused on data protection in the country. See, as DSCI, we have been focused on data protection for our corporate sector. So all the companies which are exporting software and services to the outside world. And then we have extended this, our looking at data protection issues on our own domestic companies, that is banking, telecom, e-governance projects and so on. So we've been creating best practices for data security as well as cyber security and privacy protection. But now looking at the way internet usage is expanding in the country, we have more than 130 million internet users, and with 900 million persons connected through mobile and half of them using smartphones. So internet connectivity is nearly ubiquitous. It is not confined to the major metros only, but all over the country, in rural areas also. So the difficulties are the crime part, which is prevalent in the cyberspace, or the internet usage is now extended to the entire country. And the usage again is more in the youth who are now connecting on to the internet, starting from the ages of whatever you may say now, 12, 13, 14, one doesn't know really. So while they are internet savvy, but then they may not be aware about the problems or the difficulties they can get into. So we felt that time had been reached for DSCI to expand into this space. That is, while we've been around for 5 years looking at the corporate security, and it is a continuing thing, and that is our main area of focus. But then internet safety for the users and for the extended nearly 400-500 million people, we thought it is time for us to collaborate with the major application providers. So all of them, the global platforms which are available to the users within the country. So we are collaborating with them to move into this space of educating the youth, educating all the internet users on how they should stay out of harm in the internet space. So that is the motivation for connecting with Stop Think Connect as a platform, which is a global platform, which is a proven platform. So rather than reinventing the wheel, we thought we will work with them, take their messages and launch this campaign of Stop Think Connect to educate our internet users and youth in particular about how to safely connect onto the internet.